Runtime, 10-12 minutes. Word count, 600 words. By 2030, AI will displace up to 85 million jobs worldwide.
That number is terrifying. Unless you're on the right side of it.
Right now, today, there are Americans in their 20s and 30s using free and low-cost AI tools to generate $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month as solo operators.
No office. No employees. No degree required.
Some of them replaced their 9-to-5 income in under 6 months. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which jobs AI is killing first, which opportunities are opening up right now, and the 3 specific business models you can start this week even with zero experience. And stick around, because Section 3 is the one that's flying completely under the radar, and it's where the real money is being made right now.
Welcome back to Next Gen Entrepreneurs.
And today we're going deep on the most important economic shift of your lifetime.
Here's exactly what we're covering.
Section 1, which jobs AI is already replacing, and the data behind it. Section 2, 3 real business models built on top of AI disruption. Section 3, the underrated play nobody's talking about that's generating serious income. Section 4, your exact 24-hour action plan to get started.
Let's get into it. Here's the thing. Every 20 years or so, a technology wave hits. The internet did it in the 90s. Mobile did it in the 2000s. Cloud computing did it in the 2010s. But AI is moving 10 times faster than any of those.
According to a 2023 Goldman Sachs report, AI could automate up to 25% of all work tasks in the United States. That's roughly 44 million American jobs exposed to some level of AI disruption.
Let that sink in. Now here's what most people get wrong. They think AI is coming for factory workers and truck drivers first. It's not. It's coming for white-collar jobs first. Writers, paralegals, junior marketers, data analysts, customer service reps, graphic designers, coders writing basic scripts. IBM CEO Arvind Krishna said in 2023 that IBM would pause hiring for roughly 7,800 roles that could be replaced by AI within 5 years. These are corporate, back-office positions. BuzzFeed laid off staff and replaced content with AI. CNET used AI to write financial articles. Klarna, the buy now pay later company, announced in 2024 that their AI assistant was doing the work of 700 customer service agents. 700 people. One tool. But here's the real story. Every single one of those disruptions created a gap in the market. Businesses need someone to build the AI workflows, to audit AI content, to train teams, to manage the tools, to fill the space between we bought the software and it actually works for us. That someone can be you. Stick around, because in Section 3, I'm going to break down the one business model that's making people up to $8,000 a month and requires nothing more than a laptop and a free tool you can download today. Okay. Let's talk money. Real models. Real numbers. Model 1 AI Content Agency. Businesses still need content. Blog posts. Email newsletters. Social captions. But they don't want to pay $500 per article anymore. Here's the opportunity. You use tools like ChatGPT 4, $20 per month, Jasper AI, $49 per month, or Copy.ai, free tier available, to produce content 10x faster than a traditional writer. You charge the client $1,500 to $3,000 per month for a content retainer. You fulfill using AI tools and your own editing and strategy layer. Your actual cost? Maybe $100 in software. According to Upwork's 2023 Freelancer Report, demand for AI-assisted content services grew by 45% year over year. Clients are actively looking for this. Real example,
A creator named Brett from Austin built a one-person AI content agency and scaled to $12,000 per month within 8 months, documented in detail on his YouTube channel and LinkedIn. He uses ChatGPT, Surfer SEO, and a $29 per month Grammarly plan.
Today's action: go to Fiverr or LinkedIn. Search AI content writing. Look at the top sellers. Study their offers. Model what's working. Model 2 AI automation consulting. Small businesses are overwhelmed. They've heard of AI. They have no idea how to use it. You become their guide. You learn tools like Zapier, free up to 100 tasks/month, Make.com, free tier available, and ChatGPT API to automate repetitive business tasks. Things like customer follow-up emails, appointment reminders, invoice generation, social media scheduling. You charge $500 to $2,500 per automation project. Some consultants charge $150 per hour for ongoing support. This is not theoretical. Platforms like Contra and TopTal have consultants listing exactly these services and getting booked consistently. Today's action: pick one business type: real estate agents, dentists, e-commerce stores. Learn their top 3 pain points. Build one sample automation using Make.com's free plan. Use that as your portfolio. Model 3 AI-powered digital products. This one is passive income territory. You use AI to create digital products, templates, prompt libraries, SOPs, mini courses, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Whop. In 2023, Etsy reported that digital downloads were the fastest growing product category on the platform. And AI-generated prompt packs, Notion templates, and resume tools are among the top sellers. Some sellers are making $2,000 to $7,000 per month selling $9 to $29 products with zero inventory, zero shipping, zero overhead. Today's action: go to Gumroad.com. Search ChatGPT prompts. Sort by bestsellers. Find a niche that's working, then create something 20% better using AI tools to build it. But wait, you'll want to see what's coming in section 3. It's the one nobody's talking about yet. And honestly, it might be the biggest opportunity on this entire list. Here's what nobody is saying out loud yet. Companies are buying AI tools faster than their employees can learn them. There is a massive, and I mean massive, gap between software purchased and software actually used effectively inside American businesses. A 2024 McKinsey survey found that 72% of companies reported they had adopted at least one AI tool, but fewer than 30% said their teams were using it confidently or to its full potential. That gap? That's your business. The model is called AI training in workforce education. Here's how it works in practice. You position yourself as an AI literacy trainer for small to mid-sized businesses. You don't need to be an engineer. You need to be one level ahead of your client, which, given where most businesses are right now, is easier than you think. You build a 90-minute workshop teaching teams how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, or whatever tool fits their industry. You deliver it live on Zoom or in person. Pricing: corporate workshops run $500 to $2,500 per session. With 2 to 4 sessions per month, you're looking at $1,000 to $10,000 per month from a single service offering. Want to scale it? Record your workshop. Sell it as an on-demand course on Teachable or Kajabi. Starting price point, $97 to $297. Real example: Ali K. Miller, former Amazon AI leader, left corporate and now earns from AI education, speaking, and content. She had 500,000 plus LinkedIn followers within 18 months of leaning into this niche. You don't need her resume. You need her strategy, which is, teach what you know, consistently, on one platform. Here's your step-by-step to start this today. 1. Pick one industry you understand: retail, real estate, healthcare, restaurants. 2. Learn the top 3 AI tools relevant to that industry: ChatGPT,
Canva AI, and Notion AI are good starters. 3.
Build a free 30-minute sample workshop in Google Slides. 4. Reach out to 5 local businesses on LinkedIn or via cold email, offer the free session in exchange for a testimonial. 5. After 3 testimonials, charge $750 for the next one.
That is a real, repeatable path.
Before I wrap up, I've got your exact 24-hour action plan ready. Don't skip it. This is where everything we covered becomes something you can actually execute. No overwhelm. Here's what you do in the next 24 hours. Step 1. Pick your lane. Choose one of the 3 models: content agency, automation consulting, or AI training. Just one. Don't split your focus. Step 2. Create your free account. Go to chatgpt.com. Start the free plan. Spend 30 minutes prompting it in your chosen niche. Get comfortable. Step 3. Find your first client or first product. Content agency?
Message 3 small business owners you know and offer a free trial month.
Automation consulting?
Post on LinkedIn, I'm helping 3 businesses automate 1 repetitive task using AI for free this week.
AI training?
Book a free 20-minute discovery call with a local business using Calendly. Step 4. Set a 30-day revenue goal.
Write it down. Make it specific. Not, I want to make money.
Say, I will close 1 client at $500 by.
Here's your quick recap.
AI is displacing jobs at record speed. White-collar roles first. The opportunity is in serving the disruption, not avoiding it. 3 models that work right now: content agency, automation consulting, AI training. The underrated play? Corporate AI education, massive demand, low competition. Your move: start with 1 model, 1 tool, 1 outreach today.
Here's my question for you, and I want to see your answer in the comments right now. Which of these 3 models are you most likely to start, and what's the number 1 thing holding you back? Drop it below. I read every single comment.
If this video gave you a real, actionable path forward, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload.
We drop new AI business content every week on this channel. And next week? We're breaking down how to build a 6-figure AI automation agency from scratch with 0 coding experience. You do not want to miss that one. Subscribe to NextGen Entrepreneurs for more AI money moves. Drop your biggest question in the comments below.
Clipboard production notes for editor. Total runtime target, 10 to 12 minutes at conversational pace. B-roll priority, real tool interfaces, ChatGPT, Zapier, Gumroad. Income screenshots, sourced ethically. News clips about AI layoffs, lower thirds. Stat sources, Goldman Sachs, McKinsey, IBM, shown on screen during. Markers, thumbnail concept, split image, fired stamp on resume versus $10,000 per month on laptop screen. Add chapter markers at each section for YouTube.